Hi friends, today we will see another problem of constraint writing, that is randomize 8-bit number that contain 5 ones and not equal to previous one. So for that I am taking a class A. Inside that I am declare an 8-bit number and x that is declared in rand, and one another variable that is prev. It is also of 8-bit. I am taking a help of pre-randomized function that is running before randomization. In that I am doing previous equal to x is assigned to prev in function. Now I am writing two constant. First one is the x should not be equal to previous one, and second constant dollar count once inside x should be always 5. Here class is int, and now I am making a handle, making an object, and I am randomizing 10 times and printing it in percentage %b binary format, so I can compare the previous one and current one. Now I am running it. You can see the output. In every number you can see that 5 once is present, and the consecutive 2 is not same. Thank you.